I've been doing a lot of research lately on all the different things that make a business an 8-figure business, so $1 million per month business. And the reason why is because, for example, with this growth partner that we have at Akemi, my company, we hit 800K nearly in just a single month. So I'm trying to get my head around how it is that people hit consistently $1 million months and above. And I actually think I've figured it out. But in today's video, I want to do exactly that. I want to break down a store that does $36.7 million per year and explore their business in terms of brand identity, marketing, and market overall, because market is super important. The market that you choose to go into is extremely, extremely important to the success of your business. Some businesses simply are easier to grow, and that's kind of what the winning product mindset is about, where one product may not work as well as another one. And that's why testing is important. And that concept applies to business at every level. Here is basically the store. It's called We the New. And as you see, the branding is actually extremely simple. But if we look at SimilarWeb, we see that they're driving 1.5 million monthly visitors. And what they do is they sell authentic sneakers and resell them. So a lot of these are brand new, but they are being resold. So they bought them from another source and now they're reselling it at a higher price. It's the simplest form of arbitrage out there. And what's really cool is that they've been able to build this to a basically $100 million business, because they're doing 36 million in revenue. But if they do this for 5 years, that's pretty crazy. And that's for sure $1 million business. Now, these guys actually raised some money. So they raised $20 million in order to scale the business. So this is a level of business that's probably outside of your scope if you're watching my channel, right? Most people that watch my channel are drop shipping. But I'll tell you, if you start thinking about these things and learning about this sort of level of business, it'll probably help you take your drop shipping business to the next level so that you can actually build enterprise value and be able to actually sell your business. I hope that I'm not losing you here. I'm trying to be entertaining and educational. I know it's really hard to be focused whenever, the information kind of goes over your head. But trust me, I'm trying to make it as simple as possible here. What I really love about this brand so far is just the fact that their website is so clean and simple. Personally, I'm just such a big fan of simplicity and just letting people shop on your site. I don't like when people make things overly complicated, and this is exactly what they're not doing. They're not making it overly complicated. And what's really cool too here, just a little piece, is the loyalty points. They tell you how many loyalty points you're going to earn every time that you buy. So that's a really cool thing, and a feature that a lot of Shopify stores don't utilize, which is just letting people create accounts. It's really that simple to get somebody to come back over and over. And what's cool is, like, the sneaker world is a world where people do come back over and over for the latest sneakers. And I'm pretty sure anybody could do this. So this is for people that are interested in, for example, let's say you have a dropshipping store, but you want to start another store with real products, or not real products, but products that are already branded, such as this, and reselling them on your site. So you could literally create something like this if you go to your local Savers, or if you find some good deals on eBay on shoes like this, and then sell them on your site for a little more expensive and just do better marketing. That's more or less what these guys are doing. So if we go to their social media, we can see that on TikTok, for example, they have 510,000 followers. That's over 500,000. That's crazy. And as you see, they're not getting crazy engagement, but they're posting so consistently that it's working out really well. And, if you go to any mall, you'll probably see a business like this, but these guys have really taken it to the next level and just simply treated it like, a Fortune 500 company, or like, a Gymshark, or just one of these really big e-commerce businesses. They treated it like that. And that's how they were able to scale such a simple concept to this level. So lesson learned, it pretty much doesn't take much more to get to this level, I guess, than it does to get to the 7-figure level. It's just doing it more consistently for longer and continuously improving things little by little. A lot of the research posted on this channel is brought to you by Akemi Lab, our research company and community. Make sure you check out some of the links for that in the description. I would love for you to join. It's actually such a cool community and we post so much research, but there's also so many people in there that are actually crushing it. Like this guy's at 2 to 3K a day in sales and he's over here just, connecting with people, asking me for some of my connections for email marketing and such things like that, since I do have a vast network of really cool tools and people that run incredible businesses that I can connect you with. And that's another benefit of the Akemi Lab that I guess people don't really think about, but tons of benefits. Make sure you check it out. And that's really about it though. Hopefully you got some inspiration from this video. I definitely wanted to explore this brand further and just talk about it a little bit because I found it so interesting. It's such a simple concept of just sneaker reselling, but then just taken to like an enterprise level, which is crazy. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.